How to bring back deleted For Me messages on WhatsApp. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to bring back deleted For Me messages on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. Now select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, choose Chats. After that, scroll down and tap on Chat Backup. Here, you will find the option to back up your messages. Simply tap on Backup to initiate the backup process. Once the backup is complete, you can easily bring back your deleted messages on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.